Hello and welcome guys. In today's video session, I'm going to talk about how to do web scraping using C#.NET. I'm going to create a application that will scrap data from Yellow Page website. So here I have a Yellow Page website. I want to get these labels. Here I search motels in Newark. You can search anything, and I want to get these labels. So I will create an application that will scrap the data from Yellow Pages using HTML Agility Pack. It's a NuGet package. We can include this inside our application and we can do web scraping. Before going to the web scraping, let's understand why web scraping required. Nowadays, it is all about utilizing the data from different sources or different websites by using their web service or web API. But what if the website don't provide the way to access their data? The answer is web scraping. Web scraping is the only option we can get their data from the website end or front end. Okay, so let's go to NuGet package console and add this HTML agility pack. So we have HTML agility pack here. Search this one. We have HTML. Click on install. Successfully installed successfully. Close the application. So here you can see in reference it is added HTML agility pack. Now I have created one application. A simple button is there and simple rich text box is there. Double click on the button. Here I am going to write my code. To respect the time, I already written the code. I am doing the copy paste and I will do the modification here itself. So what I did here, I created a HTML agility pack, HTML web equal to new HTML agility pack, HTML web. Okay, next I'm creating agility pack HTML document. Here web.load, this HTML web.load. Here I'm going to give this particular URL. So here you can search any other thing also. So I searched this and I found this URL. Let's copy paste this URL inside this web.load parameter. Next, declare a variable var. Here I am getting the selected node by their class name. So how I did here, HTML document node dot select node anchor, here class equal to class name. So let's see, right click on this particular text. So you can see it's an anchor and the class name is business name. Let's copy paste this class name and I want to post here. Okay, next I'm looping through this header. It's a list of data and I'm concatenating to a string. Next step, I'm going to assign this string into this rich text box. Rich text box equal here, let's say txt text box text data dot text equal to, I'm giving this string, concatenated string. Run the application, click on the scrap now. So you can see all this we are getting here. So close this inspect element, low cost air, motel, this completely. Everything is coming here. Let's say something, search something different. Let's say restaurant at Newark, or I'm giving something Seattle. Okay. So take this URL. Okay, stop the application. In HTML document, HTML web.load. Here pass this URL as a string, and let's see what is this name are coming. Anything same as the previous. Okay, same as previous business name, the anchor class name. Let's run the application now. Scrap now. So roadway, Toiso, Teriyaki, this all thing are coming here. In this way, we can scrap a web page by getting their exact class name or exact node name. Guys, to create a meaningful video, it requires a tons of effort. If you like my video, give me a like and share this video with your friends. And if you want to learn some Microsoft programming languages, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you very much.